Is the Ram ProMaster the best van for van life? That's the question I had when I started my van build. After traveling and working in my ProMaster for a while now, I've got some answers, and they might surprise you. Whether you're shopping for a new van or planning your dream conversion, this video will cover what you need to know about the Ram ProMaster. Let's get right to it. When most people think of van life, they picture one of three vans: the Ram ProMaster, the Ford Transit, or a Mercedes Sprinter. Let's break down some quick pros and cons. The Mercedes Sprinter: great build quality, diesel engine, all-wheel drive available. But the initial price tag, high maintenance costs, and expensive repairs may have you thinking twice. The Ford Transit: modern feel, all-wheel drive option, tall roof. The downside: less interior width and harder to find parts and repairs in remote areas. The Ram ProMaster: front-wheel drive, widest interior of the three, lowest cost to buy and maintain. But it's not perfect. We'll get into that. When I was choosing a van, here's why I went with the ProMaster. Interior width: at 6 foot 3 inches wall to wall, I could build my bed sideways and still sleep comfortably. That's a game changer for saving space. Front-wheel drive: gives better traction in rain and snow without the added complexity of all-wheel drive. And there's no big drive shaft running underneath, which means a lower floor and more interior height. Boxy shape: the walls are straight, which makes building cabinets, galleys, and other features way easier. And honestly, the price was right. I got more van for my money compared to the Transit or Sprinter. More recent model years feature better technology and have improved the style of this funny-looking van. I was quite excited to see the upgraded dash monitor and instrument cluster, and I love the bright LED headlights. However, no van is perfect, and the ProMaster has its quirks. Gas mileage: I average around 14 to 17 miles per gallon depending on the terrain and weight. Not terrible, but not great. Road noise: it's definitely noisier than a Sprinter. Good insulation during your build helps, but it is something to keep in mind. The driving feel: it is a work van. You're not getting German refinement here, but it does get the job done. One thing I'll say though, repairs are simple and parts are everywhere. That's a big plus when you're on the road. There are good reasons the United States Post Office and Amazon run fleets of ProMasters. If you are planning to build your van yourself, or even do a partial DIY build, the ProMaster is a great platform. The walls are nearly vertical. That makes mounting cabinets, insulation, and wall panels way easier. The roof is flat, which makes installing solar panels and a roof rack simple. The low floor height means you get more standing room inside, especially with the high roof model. Like I mentioned before, this van is wide enough to install your bed platform from side to side. That is a big factor in planning your layout. Doing so in a Mercedes Sprinter requires installing side bump outs. So, who should seriously consider a ProMaster? DIY builders. The shape, price, and ease of use make it a perfect van for a first-time van builder to a pro. Weekend warriors or full-timers. There's enough space and comfort for long trips or living on the road. It drives like a pickup truck, has great visibility, is nimble and easy to maneuver. It certainly can be a daily driver or a tiny house on wheels. Budget-conscious buyers, you'll save thousands compared to Sprinter or Transit vans, and those savings can go into your build. Is the Ram ProMaster the best choice for van life? Well, for me, the answer is yes. It checks all the right boxes: affordable, easy to build out, and dependable. But the truth is, the best van depends on your needs. If you want diesel and all-wheel drive, look at a Sprinter. If you want more modern features and a more refined drive, try the Transit. But if you want a solid platform that's easy to build, affordable to maintain, and roomy inside, the ProMaster is hard to beat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY van build tips and honest gear reviews. Got questions about the ProMaster or van life in general? Drop them in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. See you in the next one. If you would like to learn more about van conversions, check out my videos on electrical systems, including installing solar power DC to DC chargers, shore power, and choosing the right wire size. If you would like to know how much we spent on our van, check out my video on how much our 2023 Ram ProMaster costs to build. Also, check out the links in the description below for more information on any of the products mentioned in this video. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.